Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is totally different. I'm actually deep cleaning my pantry. I kind of wanted to show you how it looked before. I mean, I should have showed you how it looked, but I started cleaning and I'm like, you know what, let me kind of film this. I have a lot of mess, a lot of stuff that I overbought. Everyone overbought these couple of weeks. Let's keep it real, let's admit. But I wanted to show you my little journey in cleaning this. So over here on my dining table, I have lots of stuff, lots of cans, grains, rice, beans. So I just wanted to put everything that are in these bags, my little containers, and I'm gonna try to see, because it's been so stressful and I don't know why, cleaning drawers, cleaning pantries, anything like that, it's just kind of overwhelming. But today was raining and I just decided to kind of, you know, put myself busy. I even have stuff on top of my stove. So right here I have chicken broth, you know, because a lot of people are overbuying a lot of stuff. And I usually make my own chicken broth. I don't even know why I bought that, but I have a lot of Gatorades, a lot of cans. I really don't like to use cans, but hey. I also have a lot of mineral water. This one's from the brand of Mineragua, but I think it's very good. I also like San Pellegrino and Topo Chico, but this one I got it in a little bulk, so it came in 12 and it's good. I love mineral water. Okay, so my goal is that when I moved here, I had all my waters and Gatorades up here, but I am so short and I would hate grabbing a chair all the time to try to, you know, pull it out. And so I'm kind of trying to do everything reverse. So anything I had in the bottom, I'm gonna bring it up, so whatever I can't grab easily, it'll be way up there. And let me see, I'm thinking of putting my cans down on this shelf, and I'm gonna show you my little process on all this. And I overbought teas. I'm gonna show you how I put them in a little compartment. And I have a lot of oatmeal. This one's very good. This one's strawberries and cream. This one's actually my husband's favorite, and then this one's me because I love cinnamon. So yeah, okay, so enough talking, let's get this going. Okay, so I'm gonna put all my summer stuff, like dinnerware, anything outdoors, I'm gonna have it either up here. So these are my 4th of July plates. I got these at Kohl's last year actually. I'm gonna have that all the way in the corner over there. And then I have these containers. These are so adorable. They have 3, so let me show you. There's one last one down here. So I'm gonna have all of these little Tupperwares way back here. And like I said, this is like the last stuff I'm gonna be grabbing right now. So I'd rather have this up here where it's harder to reach for another day. So let's see, oops, that's what I knew something was gonna happen, so got it. So this is the final look for this shelf. I just have my glass little cups, jars, whatever. I can't think straight right now. A Hydro Flask back there. The 4th of July stuff, all my aluminum foil, wax paper, and I just have one Ziploc, which is the quart size, and some plates. This is the little compartment I was telling you. This one says Farm Fresh, so adorable. I got this one at Target. And as you can see, I usually have my oatmeals here instead of having them in the box. I'm going to transfer these to the box. So actually 8 packages, little pouches, fit in one of the compartments. So I have my apple cinnamon and my strawberry and cream. And the rest, what I do, I usually put it in the one of these boxes. So when they're done, I kind of transfer them. And once the box is done, that's when I'm like, you know what? It's probably a good time to start buying another box. Now that that is all set, as you guys could tell, I usually have my teas here. So I'm going to have some of the new ones transferred here. I kind of know which ones are old and which ones are not because I like to, what is it? First in, first out? Yeah. And let me tell you, this one's actually my favorite out of all. This one's from the brand of Tazo or Tazo, and this one is called Calm Chamomile. This one's a unwind with a relaxing blend of chamomile, rose petal, and soothing herbs. This one's caffeine free. Packaging is cute, of course. The next one is Wild Sweet Orange. This one is a sweet herb infusion of orange peel, lemongrass, citrus herbs, and licorice root. Ooh, nice. I already tried this one and I really like it actually. Very citrusy. Oh. So these are the old ones, so I use all these and then start using these, transfer these here. Same goes with this one, but then this one's just the chai one and then this one's the sweet orange one, the new one. So everything fit here. I still have some left. I do keep it in the box, like I said, with the oatmeals, and then I'll just transfer them once, you know, they're done. I have 2 compartments here. These are little teas that my mom got me for Christmas as stocking stuffers, and there's tea inside, so these I'll probably just have them right here. And then let's see what else. Okay, so I am gonna have my honey. This one is a raw and unfiltered honey local hive from SoCal. This one's so good. I love this. I'm actually gonna have this on the back. And I'm gonna transfer my my stick cinnamons back here, and these little teas. Come on, fit. There you go. Okay, last one. Decided to have my hot chocolate. This one is from Nestle, and this one is Abuelita. If you guys have not tried this, this is amazing, and I love it. So that is it with this little compartment. I think it's cute. I'm gonna start putting this in the pantry. Okay, so this is how it looks on the second shelf. I have my Cocoa Pebbles back there. That's one of my favorites, but I know it's bad. And I have Frosted Flakes and a light cereal I really like. I have my flour back there for pancakes. Yes, it's in a box. I should put it in a glass container. I'll get to that another day. This is how my little compartment is looking. I don't know if I like how that looks there because I also have these little flapjacks instant. I never tried these, but this is what I bought when everybody was overbuying stuff. So there you go. And I have another container. This one is from the Bath and Body Works little box. I have coffee here. I have cookies, crackers, but I can't decide if I like it in this or I'm just, you know, it's a work in progress here. So on the other shelf, I decided to add my 2 canisters that say Farmers Market, locally grown fresh produce daily, 7 days a week. These are the cutest containers I've ever seen, and I got these at Home Goods, obviously. So I have 2, one's for rice, one's for black beans. You saw me transfer these. And these are my cans. I have some corn, refried beans, some tomato sauce, some mixed vegetables, pineapple, and 2 of these blancos jalapeno peppers. Yum, I love those. And some tuna. Blue boxes. So in these little blue containers or boxes, I have the Nature Valley roasted nut crunch bars. These are so good. Some Jell-O, some chocolate bars, Kit Kat, 1 peanuts left, and popcorn. And this one, I'm gonna add maybe more snacks because these are easier to grab from the pantry. So I love these. So down here, I decided to add all the snacks. I have little caramel, some marshmallows, and chocolate in case I ever want to do a homemade hot chocolate or a treat. I have some graham crackers, the cinnamon kind, Famous Amos cookies. Those are so delicious. And then back there, I decided just to add the box of pastas. So I have spaghetti, rigatonis, and fideo, and different ones. I have my 2 chip bags back there. Oops, someone texted me. And right here, I just have little stuff that I'm not going to be reaching anytime soon. So I have some sugar, leftover rice, my other oatmeals, my other teas. They're all the way back there. And I have a little nosy person here. Sorry, I'm still in PJs. This actually took me like an hour and a half, to be honest, just because I like to move everything around here or there. I'm just that type of person. But right here I have all my pasta sauce. I like the brand Classico, and I also like this basket. I got it at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I like how it looks. Very farm look in here, especially with those containers. And this is a final look up here too. My oatmeals, I have a jam back there, some Nesquik, my instant pancakes, syrup, and the pancake mix back there. And that is going to be with the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, just remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. And I'm craving a tea, so I'm going to start making myself a cup of tea.